In this quick tutorial I will show you how to download and install shaders in Minecraft with the help of the Fabric and the Iris shaders. As a quick mention, you'll have all the links down below in the description of the video. First you'll have to go to fabricmc.net to download the Fabric and select download for Windows. Now you will have to open this file, select it and double click on it. If by any chance it's not doing anything, it just pop up on my other screen, you will have to download the latest Java. You can go to java.com/n/download/ and you'll find download Java for desktop. However, let's install the Fabric. Also make sure Minecraft is closed, including the Minecraft launcher, before you do that. So make sure Minecraft is at latest version, loader version, leave it on the latest, and now press on install. Don't do anything else, and it will be installed instantly. Okay, now we can close this. Alright, let's close. Now let's head over modrint.com/mod/iris to download the Iris shaders. Let's press on download, select a version, select the latest Minecraft version and add select platform, select Fabric, and now press on download. And I will show you in a second what we want to do with it. For now, let's open the Minecraft launcher. Okay, and now you will see in the bottom left hand corner, you'll see Fabric loader, which wasn't here before, and we can go to installations and hover over the Fabric loader and press on this button to open that Minecraft folder, and inside here try to locate modes. If you don't have a folder named modes, just create one and name it modes. And what we want to do, we want to drag here the Iris Fabric, which we downloaded from the Modrint earlier. And now you'll also need a shader pack, and I'll show you how to get any shader pack which you would like. Let's head over Modrint, and this is the link, modrint.com/shaders, and let's download the shader. Let's choose photon shaders just for the purpose of this tutorial. Let's select download, select game version, again latest Minecraft version, and we have to select Iris, and let's press on download. But again, at this step you can choose any shader pack which you'd like. These matter the least. Head again over to point Minecraft folder, and inside here try to locate again a folder named shader packs, and if you don't have one, just create one and name it shader packs. And let's cut the photon shader which we downloaded earlier. And I forgot to mention, but we also need to download the sodium in order for this to work. Select the game version, select the latest, and a platform, select Fabric and hit download. Fabric will help you to have a better performance inside the game, and also will help for the Iris shader to work, because otherwise it will not work. So let's go to mods, and I will place here the sodium, and right now we can open the Minecraft launcher, select the Fabric loader profile which has been created when we install Fabric, and hit play. And now I'll show you how to enable the shaders inside the game. So let's just enter a random word. So press escape on your keyboard. Now options, video settings, shader packs at the top, and I will select the photon which I downloaded earlier, and I will hit on apply. And that's basically it, how to get Minecraft shaders. I hope this Minecraft tutorial helped you out, and I also hope you have a wonderful day.